It only makes sense that the flow of healthy blood is essential to a strong, vital, active human body. Our product, Ultravascular Complex, can assist you in assuring the health of your blood and the system it flows through. Ultravascular Complex is comprised of key ingredients to support the body's overall vascular system. Ultravascular Complex contains vitamin E, ginkgo biloba, Gotu-kola, which is known to help strengthen the microvasculature, improving blood circulation, and butcher's broom, an herb that helps reduce capillary permeability and to enhance vascular health. You can live strong and live happy with Ultravascular Complex, yet another quality product for your good health from World's Choice Products.